Bitcoin price battles for $63,000 support amid warning bulls complacent. And taking a look at the general crypto market right now, on the day, it's already looking pretty red. In the last hour alone, we're seeing Bitcoin down about 1%, Ethereum over 1%, BNB pushing close to 2%. Bitcoin is down almost 2% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum close to 5%, and BNB at 2.61%. So market's looking pretty red. In this article here from Cointelegraph, I will provide a link down in the description below as well, so you can check out other news articles that they share. And if you're new to my channel, I am looking to do more news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated, and we'll do the best that we can to keep you guys updated daily. Bitcoin ETFs hitting Hong Kong excite markets overnight, but overall, Bitcoin price conditions remain precarious, analysts say. Bitcoin attempted to hold higher on April 30th as an institutional landmark in Hong Kong boosted momentum. Hong Kong ETFs deliver Bitcoin price relief. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed local highs of $64,714 on Bitstamp after the daily close. This coincided with the launch of new spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, or ETFs, in Hong Kong. An important moment for the industry in Asia, where conditions have rarely fostered Bitcoin as a mainstream asset. Although the structural flows are dwarfed by the US ETFs, naturally as the world's largest economy, this shows a dramatic shift in stance from the East than what it had been only just a few years back. Financial commentator TED Talks Macro wrote in part of recent commentary on X. Slowly, then all at once, we are right on track for Bitcoin to continue its growth into a global macro asset. And Adam Back said, Hong Kong Bitcoin ETFs market open in 3 hours. In-kind entry and exit, deposit Bitcoin so no artificial capital gains tax hit. Another time zone and market to get a bit closer to 24/7 spot market. Let's see how the inflows go. No GBTC analog, no bankruptcy selling in Hong Kong. Adam Back, co-founder and CEO of Blockstream, noted positive differences between the Hong Kong setup and the first months of the United States spot ETFs, which began trading in mid-January. Bitcoin price action thus received some healthy relief after beginning the weeks at lows of under $62,000. Popular trader Dan Crypto Trades revealed a breakout from a falling wedge that was now in the process of being retested as potential support. Continuing, Keith Allen, co-founder of Trading Resource Material Indicators, queried whether the ETFs alone could affect longer-term changes in price behavior. He noted that the U.S. Federal Reserve decision on interest rates would take place on May 1st, an event typically preceded by sell pressure on crypto. Will Hong Kong bulls stampede through resistance at 65.5K, or will they take a more tempered approach and wait for the monthly close and Wednesday's remarks from Fed Chair Powell to set the tone for May? He summarized to X followers. An accompanying chart showed major areas of liquidity on the Binance BTC USDT order book. And funding rates support Bitcoin leverage longs. Across derivatives platforms, meanwhile, funding rates remain skewed slightly negative. While the lack of excess was encouraging for trading suite Decent Trader, the implications could point to overall fickle market conditions. Traders, it suggested on the day, could still bet just as easily on higher or lower next. Bitcoin's weighted average funding rate continues to dip negative as price chops around, it wrote alongside its own chart. The market appears to be unsure of the next breakout direction. In the latest edition of its London and New York color, market updates sent to Telegram channel subscribers on April 29th, trading firm QCP Capital likewise acknowledged funding being in limbo. Although short-term realized volatility is indeed depressed given the tight spot range, the market is possibly overly complacent given prevailing macro developments. Middle East conflict, potential U.S. stagflation, yen weakness, U.S. fiscal injection, etc., it warned. Perp funding is largely flat, with many altcoins showing negative funding, which opens up a path for speculators to build leveraged long positions. Let me know what you guys think about all this. Feel free to share your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you're looking for a place where you could do leverage trading, for example, 5x all the way up to 100x, and no KYC, you can check out the crypto exchange Margex. I do have a referral link down in the description below. You can also buy crypto directly on their platform. They have copy trading, so you basically go on autopilot and mirror your trades off of what other traders are doing. And they have staking options as well. You can get started in about 1 minute of making an account. If you use my referral link, you can claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. Obviously, that's a big number. So it's up to $10,000. And it's available in many different regions. If it's not available in your region, there are some people that decide to use VPNs. Obviously, that's your guys' decision. And that's Margex. Besides that, there's also HG Access with about 2,200 members. A lot of people have been participating and showing their support inside of this because the value that's there. And that is also seen right here. You can read through this. If you guys decide you want to participate and be a part of this big group, we have that link with Patreon down in the description below. And thank you so much also to my personal Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Victor Vegas and Worlza Rizvi being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.